Jeffrey is very depressed. He sleeps late, he wakes up late, he binge consumes social media. He does not learn at all, he procrastinates with his work. He plays video games with his dumbass loser friends. He feels like shit all the time. His life don't have any order. Adonis. Adonis is the embodiment of order. He knows the importance and value of daily routines. Every single day he follows a routine. His life is in complete order. For many years he haven't lived a single day without a routine. And because of that he gets amazing amount of work done in just one day. His mental health is in peak condition. He sits on the throne of productivity. When I first started making these self-improvement videos, I was making them in the daytime. Like people were awake, there were vehicles going on here and there, children were playing, and there was so much noise. I was pausing so much so that I could clear that noise part later. But it was so distracting and so time taking. I needed to find a solution where people weren't awake, there were no vehicles going on here and there, and I found the time. It was early morning. Vehicles weren't going here and there, and people were asleep. So whenever I had to record video, I used to just wake up at 4 a.m. just on that day when I used to record a video, and I would record one video and do some other stuff, then go to school. It wasn't actually the part of my daily routine. It was just whenever I had to record a video, I would wake up at 4 a.m. And that is when I got the idea of waking up at 4 a.m. for the first time. And now, in this month, I went to monk mode and I am uploading every day. And to upload every day, I need to record videos. So, guess what I did? I made waking up at 4 a.m. my routine. It's actually the second time when I made it a routine. I made it a routine in April too. I was waking up at 4 a.m. for few days, and the routine I have now is literally completely amazing because I get to do what I want to do alongside school. Being an ambitious student who wants to earn, who wants to do his own stuff, you absolutely need a daily routine. Because if you don't have any structure at all in your day, your day won't be as productive as you think it will be. You might say that I have willpower, strong willpower, but willpower doesn't come in handy every time, and you cannot be disciplined with willpower only. This video and this routine is not like clickbaity other YouTube videos you would see. They would make a vlog. They are not educating you, they are entertaining you. This is the real shit, and it's up to you whether you want to follow the actually most productive routine alongside school or not. Because if you don't, you will be left behind, because others will be using it, others will be implementing it in day-to-day life, and they will grow faster, and you will be just like, I wish I had followed it. It's up to you. As you know, school already takes so much of your time, and most probably you don't even enjoy it. You don't even want to go to school, but you are just going because of the norm. So when school already takes so much of our time, we need to structure our day properly, because if we don't, we won't be able to achieve our goals. We won't be able to give time to things which will help us achieve our goals, which will help you achieve your goals. And you already know that school won't be able to help you with achieving your goals unless you want to become an academic professor, or you want to go in any academic field. Well, to be honest, I cannot give you a perfectly optimized routine for you, because I don't know your timings, like your lifestyle. I don't know that. I don't know when your school is starting. I don't know how much long it takes you to commute to the school. But what I will give you is the basic structure, like the base, the foundation. Make sure to do some attunements if it doesn't suit your lifestyle completely. If it does, then it's all right. Just follow it. So now, what even is this routine? 4 a.m. wake up and do deep work. 5:40 get ready for the school and go to the school. 1:30 you just came back from school and you will do your self improvement habits like meditation, journaling, gratitude journaling. Do them. Then 2:30 start working. Just that, start working till 5. Then at 5 p.m. you will study a bit, like for 1.5 hours study. 6:30 workout, 1 hour workout. 7:30 like take a shower, take a bath, eat, have your dinner, and yeah, you can learn. Watch some course if you have, watch some podcast if you really wanna watch, or just read book. 9 p.m. lay down on bed, read the book, and whenever you are sleepy, go to sleep before 10 p.m. Yeah, I know that only 6 hours of sleep. Well, you gotta compromise in the beginning phase of your business. Like if you are doing some work, you need to compromise a bit. And it's not even that bad, because wake if you wake up and sleep at the same time daily, your sleep will get better and better automatically, because you will fall asleep earlier. You will start to wake up without alarm. You will not wake up between the sleep. You will have more and more deep sleep, REM sleep. That will be good. I myself am on 6 hours of sleep. I know that it's okay, but yeah, it's for some days. You can do it some attunements. I will do some attunements that I will make it 7 hours of sleep. Not right now, later, when I am out of monk mode, or for just one day. This routine is actually really powerful. You just have to implement it and follow it. It will really do wonders for you. You cannot even imagine its effects, its wonders, until you try it. So just try it for few days and give it a reasonable amount of time. Like, don't try it for 2 days and say that, oh, it doesn't work for me. Obviously it won't, because you won't be able to wake up. If it doesn't work for you even after few days, like 7 days, then you can comment on this video. Go and write it down, do some attunements and implement it. With that's it for the video. If you want to book a call with me, go to description. The top link will leave you to the page. Thanks for watching. I will always be rooting for you.